Dear children, our next topic is socialist system. Socialist system originated because of limitation and failure of the market system. Dear children, what they have to given there? They have to given that socialist system originated. Why the socialist system is originated? Because there are the limitations as well as the failure of market system or capitalist system. Countries like Russia, China have achieved the fast economic progress by adopting this system. Now here they have to given the name of the nation. Which nation? Russia and China adopt the which system? Socialist system. And already we learned that which nation was accepting the capitalist system? Japan, America, England. They accept the capitalist system. Socialist system is quite opposite to the market system. What happened that here they have to given that socialist system is quite opposite with the market system. It means both system are opposite with the each other. In the socialist system, all economic decisions are taken by the state machinery. It means in socialist system, the whole decision was taken by the state government or state machinery. State own all the resources of the production. It means here the whole kind of the resources of the production was controlled under the state government. In this system, the whole economy is managed by the state. All the decision pertaining to the production, investment, resources distribution, production distribution, this all kind of the decision was to be taken by the state. After taking and keeping the requirement of the society in the mind. So it means here the state take the decision on the basis of the requirement of the society. In the socialist system, rather than profit, here social welfare is the main center. Now dear children, you know very well that in market system or capitalist system, the main aim of that system is profit. But in socialist system, the main aim of the government or state is to welfare of the people. It means in socialist system, the government was work on the basis of the welfare of the people. Production of the resources and their price are decided by the states. What happened there? The production of resources and their price are decided by the state. The responsibility to achieve the target of production decided by the state government factories. Farming is also owned by the states. What happened that here farming is also under the control of the states. Labor are paid according to their ability and according to work is taken from them. Now what happened that here the labor are paid according to their ability and according to their work taken from that. Now they have to given about the features of the socialist economy. Resources are owned by the states. Now what happened there? Here the all kinds of the resources are under the control of the states. All the economic decisions are taken by the states. Now what happened there, dear children? Here all kinds of economic decisions are under the control of the states. Rather than profit, social welfare is at the center of economic activity. Now what happened there? Here the social welfare is given the more important by the economic activity rather than profit. Laborer are paid the wages in return of the work. Now here what happened there? Labor are paid the wages on the basis of their work. Now benefits of socialist system. Because of production according to the requirement of the society, unimportant and luxurious items are not produced. Now what happened there? Here they have to done the production on the basis of requirement of the society. That's why here no more production of the luxurious items. As second one, as the decision related to the production are taken by the state. It means all kinds of the decision of the production are under the control of the state. So wastage of resources is not there, and that's why here what happened there? Uses of minimum resources and get the maximum output. So here the chances of wastage of resources is not there in the socialist system. Disparity of income and property is removed. Now what happened then? Here the disparity, you know very well that the meaning of disparity, asamanta. It means here there is no chances that the richer become richer and poor become poor. It means here the disparity of income and the property is removed. That's why the all people are equal and consumer are not exploited. It means here consumer are not cheated in the socialist system. Why? Because all things are under the control of the states. Now they have to given about the limitation of socialist system. Socialist system which has come into the existence with the noble intention of equal distribution and social welfare to has a certain limitations. Now what happened there, dear children? Here the social system has also some kinds of the limitations and social system only work and the distribution for the social welfare. Now first topic, as the resources of production are owned by the state and people do not get encouragement and motivated to increase the production. Now what happened there? Here in socialist system, the all kind of the resources are controlled and owned by the state. That's why the people do not get the encouragement as well as the motivation for the increase of the production. Second, due to a lack of competition, contents as well as the research do not get momentum in the economy. Here now what happened there? Maximum things are under the control of the state. That's why here research based work is not there, and here you do not find the more competition. Here the lack of competition is there. There is the lack of individual freedom in this system. Here what they have to given that? They have to given that here the lack of individual system. It means as an individual they have not given the much freedom. Why? Because all things was managed by the state. That's why here the chances of lack of individual freedom in this society, and because of complete interference of the state there is a fear of the bureaucracy. Now what happened there? Here the complete interference of the state. It means here the complete all things are under the control of the government. So here the fear of the bureaucracy. It means here the fear of the government is there.